Hello, everyone. I'm Yue Yuan, who is a PhD graduate from Lehigh University, and I'm looking for an assistant professor position. Today, I want to introduce my research published at PALMS, Willingness to Pay for Status Signals in Online Luxury Markets. This is a joint work with Mary E. Daly and Yuliang Yao. Conventional marketing wisdom suggests that consumers are willing to pay more for goods produced by luxury brands that signal the consumer status, and that therefore these items should have prominent logos. We study how consumers value status signals by estimating their willingness to pay for a luxury item with a quiet versus a prominent luxury brand logo. Our hypothesis is that there are consumers who are willing to pay a premium for a luxury product with a quiet logo as compared to an otherwise identical but loudly marked luxury product. These consumers want to signal their status, but only to knowledgeable peers who can interpret the quiet logo. We collect data from 2 online markets about the sales of 2 luxury handbags that differ principally in the prominence of their logo. You can see the bag on the left has LV symbol over the entire bag, and the trim and handles are brighter. And the bag on the right with dark handles and trim has teeny indicator Louis Vuitton within 1 square. We estimate the premium in consumers' willingness to pay for the handbag with the quiet logo, and we find that consumers are willing to pay a sizable premium of $161 to $174, or 17 to 18% of the retail price for quiet handbags as compared to loud handbags. We find that the effect of poor condition on willingness to pay is less for consumers interested in sending a loud signal, because the people they want to signal are more interested in the logo itself than in the handbag's condition. Overall, our findings suggest that, counter to conventional wisdom, there are consumers willing to pay more for quietly marked luxury goods that allow them to signal a more targeted group of peers with similar cultural capital or social connectedness. Our findings have important managerial implications. The challenge for firms selling branded luxury products is to devise methods to tap into the greater willingness to pay of consumers that prefer quiet signals. We speculate that LV may have adopted a cloaking strategy in setting the same list price for the 2 versions of the speedy bags. A firm, however, may be underestimating the size of the premium that the greater willingness to pay represents, and our methodology may give them a way to measure the premium. Based on our findings, LV's quiet luxury handbags may command a 17 to 18% price premium. Thus, setting a higher list price for quiet handbags is likely to increase the firm's revenue, although doing so may cause some dilution of the value of the quiet signal. Otherwise, a firm must rely on sales of more expensive, differently styled luxury goods with less prominent logos to capture the greater willingness to pay of the more knowledgeable consumers. Finally, I would like to thank everyone who helped us to improve the paper. Thank you.